Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today we had a update. Actually, it was released late yesterday, February 10th. For most people, they've noticed that their Edge browser updated today, February 11th, at the same time that we had Patch Tuesday today. So if you go into your Microsoft Edge browser, you go in the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, Help and Feedback, About Microsoft Edge. You will have moved to version 133.0.3065.59. And this does not contain any security fixes from what I know. It is purely bug fixing update. So it has nothing to do with the Google Chrome update we had today also, which is a security update for Chrome. So it's various bug fixes. One of them that I actually suffered, if you've noticed that full screen videos were sluggish, it is one of the bugs that were fixed within the Microsoft Edge browser. So that means that they probably have tweaked something. This is, of course, probably due to the fact that we moved on to a new version last week. We moved on to 133. And it happens often that when we move on to a new version that there are some quick fixes because a few things might not be correct. So check it out if you have issues. Apart from that, you can leave it alone if you don't have any problems at all. There's nothing security once again. We will have security updates, though, this week later on, as Chrome had some updates. But for now, this is really just a bug-fixing update for the Microsoft Edge browser today, February 11th, 2025. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.